Hi, my name is Jessica, and today I'm going to show you how to create a base map in AutoCAD from a Google Earth or Google Map image. You will need a computer with internet access, and the programs you will need are Google Earth, which can be downloaded for free, or Google Maps, a photo management program such as Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Word, or Paint, and AutoCAD. You will also need the location or address of the site you wish to map. The first thing you need to do is open Google Earth and enter your address bar. For this demonstration, I will be using the Texas Tech campus, and more specifically the site that is located just behind the library. So once you have your site selected, you'll need to print screen. I am using a PC, so I will be using a control print screen function. And now that we have selected the site, we need to save it as a JPEG, and in order to do that, I will be using an Adobe Photoshop for my photo management. So you open the program, and then we'll need a new template, so we'll go File, New, make sure it's the size you want, and the resolution and everything, so that's good there. And then after that opens, we will paste the image we just printed from Google Earth. So Control V, and now that we have our image, we can crop out the excess, so using along this toolbar, using the crop and selecting the area I wish to use. So this area around this dairy barn is what I will be using. So now that I've got my area, I will just click select, and now I need to save it as a JPEG. So File, Save As, and then I will save it as a base map. Base map on my desktop, and select JPEG, and then hit enter, and then JPEG options, I will hit enter. And now if you're going to do this in Microsoft Word, you just have to paste it into a program and right click on the image and save as. You can also crop it in Word, so it'll be just the area you wish. So now that we have our image saved, we can open it up in AutoCAD. So I'm going to open AutoCAD, and then now I have to import it. So along this toolbar at the top, you'll find Insert and then Raster Image Reference. And now we locate the image we just saved. So I saved it on my desktop, and it's base map, so open. And in this prompt, I usually leave everything the same, and so click OK, and then select an insertion point, and then select a second one. Now the second one doesn't really matter at this point because we're about to scale our image. So what you need to do now is select your image, and you can just click on the edge of your image, and to make sure it's selected, these little blue dots will highlight. And now we need to scale. So in the command prompt down here at the bottom, you can type in scale and specify a base point. I usually select the corner or some portion inside your image, and then type R for reference. And then now here comes the point where you need a measurement of like previously known measurement on your site. I usually like to use the parking stalls because most parking stalls are a standard measurement of 9 by 18 feet. So now I need to select the first point of that. So I'll select the top, and then I will select the second point, which will be the opposite corner. And now I type in the new length, which will be that 9 feet, and enter. And now, because your image is scaled, you'll hit zoom. You'll type in zoom, and then all. And now your image should be scaled. But to make sure that it is, we're going to check the accuracy of it by using the distance command. And to do that, we need to type in distance, but don't type just type DIST instead of the whole distance. And then we'll go back to our parking stall we used and select the first point, and then select the second point we did previously. And it's 8.5, so it's pretty close. It could be just the matter of where I clicked on that to make sure that it is exactly accurate. So, to show what you can do with a base map I've used previously to this, I've pulled an old project for mine, and this is what you can do with a base map. You can use the existing buildings and then design the new elements around them. So you can see the dairy barn here and then the library. So that is how you can use a base map. And these steps have shown you how to take an image from Google Earth, save it as a JPEG, bring it into AutoCAD and scale it. You will now be able to use the image in AutoCAD as a scaled base to draw and design your site. I hope this was all informative and that you learned how to scale an image. Thank you for your time.